Your comb pulls out way too many strands. You sigh and wonder if each shower means a thinner you in the mirror tomorrow. Here is the twist. One bulb from the veggie drawer might change that story. Yes, the same onion that makes eyes water could turn your scalp from barren to buzzing. Keep listening, because the biggest worry with onion juice is the smell, and we have 3 easy fixes coming up. Onions pack 2 silent heroes. Sulfur, the stuff that gives them their kick, is also the basic brick for keratin, the protein hair is made of. Then comes quercetin, a plant shield that calms angry immune cells so they stop bullying hair roots. Put those together and you get a liquid fertilizer that feeds, defends, and jumpstarts sleepy follicles. A small study put onion juice on bald spots twice a day. After 6 weeks, almost 87% of users saw clear regrowth. Here's the recipe. Grab 1 red onion. Chop, toss in a blender with a splash of water and pulse until it looks like purple slush. Pour through cheesecloth and squeeze. That drippy liquid is your potion. Store it in a closed jar in the fridge and use within 3 days for best punch. Now onion alone is good, but onion plus rosemary oil is great. Add 5 drops of rosemary oil to every cup of juice, shake, and the mix now boosts blood flow on top of feeding hair. In a head-to-head trial, rosemary matched the popular drug minoxidil after 6 months. Ready to apply. What about the pungent onion smell? Just blend 2 drops of lavender essential oil into your conditioner. Lavender masks the smell and calms the scalp. Many people have seen this work. Mary, age 62, rubbed onion mix twice a week. At week 4, she spotted baby hairs at her temples and sent her grandkids a selfie captioned, "New Fuzz Club." Raj, a barber from Delhi, has sworn by shallot juice for decades and says clients come back just to show off fuller crowns. Emma, 35, feared the smell most, but stuck with the vinegar trick and now loves the extra shine as much as the thicker ponytail. Use the mix 2 times a week for 6 weeks. Take a photo under the same light every Sunday. Tiny sprouts show up in pictures before you see them in the mirror. If after 8 weeks you see no change, chat with a skin doctor to check other causes like hormones or stress. If you are finding value so far, give us a like or comment so YouTube can get more people to watch this video. Now tap the next video on screen to learn another simple remedy hiding in your pantry.